Hi students, welcome to HireMath online courses. So today I am going to take your second term first chapter, it is complementary section, that is polynomials. Yes, I hope already you have learned in your previous classes about expression, equations, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and so on. Okay, and this chapter is extended part of that expression and equations. Okay, in this class today I am going to clear all the basic concepts related to algebra. Okay, that is variable, constant, okay, one term, two term, three terms, and many more terms, and what is meant by monomial, binomial, trinomial. Then the main chapter topic is polynomial. Yes. Yes. Now I am going to share screen. Yes. See, this is today's class on polynomial basic class related to all basic concept. Okay. The chapter name is what? Polynomial. Yes. See, the actual algebra starts from 7th class and next 8th, 9th, and 10th. Okay. What you haven't learned, okay, in previous classes, all those concepts I am going to revise later. Okay, this is complete basic concept to learn main chapter or main topic polynomial. Okay. First of all, what is meant by variable? Yes. Variable means it is always going to change. Okay, there is no fixed value. Okay, there is no fixed value. Okay, change. Okay, there is no fixed value. It has to change. Okay, and those variables we represent by small letters x or y or z or m, anything. Okay, the 26 alphabets we use to denote variables through small letters. Okay, and what is meant by constant? Constant means it's a fixed value. There will be no change. Variable means no fixed value. There is no fixed value. It has to be changed. Okay, and constant means it is fixed. Always it is fixed. If the number is three, it is always three only. Okay, if the number is five, it is always five only. Or in science, you know that the speed of the light. Okay, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is always same. Okay, and the gravitational constant g, that is 9.8 meter per second is also constant. Okay, so the those values are fixed. Okay, which are called as constants. Okay, just you have to know these things. Okay. Yes, now I am going to discuss about what is meant by monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. See, first one is monomial. See, mono means single, means one it is. Okay. If we have a only single term, if we have single term, that is monomial. It may be 3x, or only it may be a number constant. Okay. Or it may be 2x, or it may be minus 5x, or it may be 3y, or it may be 2x, okay, or it may be minus 3z, anything, and the variable is also different, okay, maybe x or y or z, okay, and the sign is also minus 5 plus 5, positive numbers or negative constants, whatever it may be. Only the thing is the term should be 1, okay. Here in this we have 3x, okay. 3x means it is always into, okay. There is no sign in between 3 and x. It means that this multiplication 3 into x, okay. 3 into x means 3x. How we get this 3x? By adding x 3 times, x plus x plus x. Yes, we are adding x 3 times, that is 3x. Yes, 3 times x, and here it is only the single number 5 constant. Here it is 2 times of x, here it is minus 5 times of x, here it is 3 times of y, 2 times x minus 3 times z. Okay, we call these are monomials. Then what about binomial? See, binomial is also very simple. Here it is mono means single, here it is bi means two. If we have two terms, then we call it as a binomial. Okay. How we know the two terms? If we have any two terms and in between plus or minus sign. Okay. So here 2x plus 3y. Here it is 2x is one term, and here it is 3y is another term, and these terms are separated by this plus sign. Okay, total this 2x and plus 3y is known as a binomial. See another example, 5x minus 3z. Okay, here it is one term, here it is one term, and these two terms are separated by minus sign. Okay, this is another one binomial. Okay, variables may be single variable or two variables. Okay, whatever it may be, just record binomial if it has a two terms. Then about trinomial. Here tri means three. Okay, so here trinomial means the polynomial has three terms. Here now 2x plus 3y plus 4z. Yes, we have here one term, here it is 3y another term, 4z is last term, and these three terms are separated by the plus sign. Okay, so we know, or we call it as a trinomial. See another example, 4x minus 3z plus 5y. So here it is 4x is one term, minus 3z is second term, 5y is third term, and these three terms are separated by minus sign plus. Okay, this is another one trinomial. Like that, you have to write yourself other two exams for monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay. Yes. So now about polynomial. Okay. So here poly means many. Poly means the name of the subject that is made by two words. Poly means many. Okay. And here it is nomial means term. Okay. Norm means term. Many terms means if we have a single term, we call it as monomial. If it has two terms, we call it as binomial. If it has three terms, we call it as a trinomial. And if it has more than three terms, generally we call it as a polynomial. What? More than three terms. Okay, more than three terms. Although all these are also polynomial. Monomial is also one polynomial. Binomial is also one polynomial. Trinomial is also polynomial, and more than three terms also polynomial. Okay. Now, one thing comes to know about which one is not a polynomial or which one is not a expression. Yes. See, all these are expressions. Yes, there is no equal sign. 3x is 3x only 5. Here it is only 2x. Here it is only 5x. Here it is 3y 2x minus 3z. Okay, and here it is 2x plus 3y. X minus 3z. Here it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z. 4x minus 3z plus 5y. Okay. All these are expressions only, not equations. Which one we call it as equation? If we have equal sign and two expressions. Say here now 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Yes, 2x plus 3 is one expression and 5 is another expression. In these two expressions, we have here equal sign. If these two expressions are separated by equal sign, or we are going to equate these two expressions, then we call it as an equation. Yes. If equal sign is there in between two expressions, then we call it as an equation. Okay. Then comes to know about which one is not a polynomial. Here it is. I will show some examples. See here, 5 is one polynomial and it is monomial. 3x is one polynomial and it is monomial. 4x cubed plus 2x square minus x plus 5, it is also one polynomial. Minus 2x cubed plus 2x plus 2 by 3, it is also one polynomial. Okay. Then see here, which examples are not polynomials? Okay. In MCQ question, you will get one question, which one is not a polynomial, or which one is monomial, or which one is binomial, or which one is trinomial, like this. Okay. So to answer those MCQ questions, you should know one thing here, which one is not a polynomial also. Okay. If you know correctly which one is polynomial, then automatically you will answer which one is not a polynomial. Okay. See, this is not here minus 2. This is power of minus 2. Okay. So here 3x square 3x square minus 2x raised to minus 2. Okay, here it is the power is minus 2. If the power is minus 2, okay, if the variable power is negative, if the variable power is negative, then that is not a polynomial. So here is not a polynomial because it has negative exponent. Okay, if the exponent of a variable is negative, then it is not a polynomial. Then in another condition, see under root if we have you have variables, okay, those are also not a polynomial. See, root x minus 1 is there, is not polynomial because it is a variable under the square root. Okay, It may be square root or cube or anything. Only the thing is, if the variable is under root, then it is not a polynomial. Okay. Here it is, the power is negative. This is not a polynomial. Here the variable is under root. This is also not polynomial. Here it is 5 upon x square plus 3. Okay. Here it is, the variable is under the, or variable is in the denominator. Okay. If we have any expression in the denominator, x square plus 3 is one expression. Okay. Yes. Expression. If it is in the denominator, then it is also not a polynomial. And the last one is, if the exponent or power of the variable is fraction, then this is also not a polynomial. These four conditions are examples of not polynomials. Okay, you should know that. Yes. Then comes to know again here the examples. Okay, monomial, that is single term. Okay. See, observe carefully here. Here the example is 3xy square. Okay, in this 3xy square, here I am writing here 3xy square. Here the coefficient of y square is totally 3x. Okay, understood? Here we have here two variables. Okay, if the coefficient of y square is asking, then the coefficient of y square is complete this 3x. Okay, if the coefficient of x is asking in the question, if the coefficient of x is, then your answer will be 3y square. Okay, if the coefficient of xy square is, then only it is 3. Coefficient of xy square is 3 only. Coefficient of x is 3y square. Coefficient of y square is 3x. Okay, you should know that. Okay, any variable is multiplied by number or any one variable other one variable, then the total is coefficient. Okay, so here in the second example, that is binomial, two terms are there. Two terms are there. 5x is one term and again minus 1 here. Okay, minus is separating these two terms and one is here. These two terms made binomial. Okay, so here it is, the coefficient of x is what here? 5, because 5 is multiplied by x or x is multiplied by 5. Okay, so the coefficient of x is asking, then it is 5. Okay, and here the variable of 1, that is always x raised to 0. Okay, you should know that all constant have the variable x raised to 0. Okay, because the x raised to 0 is always 1. Okay, if it is 1, then the constant variable is always x raised to 0. And so here it is 3x, that is trinomial example. So coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y square is 5, and here it is minus 3 is a constant. Okay. Yes. Now know about like terms and unlike terms. Okay. So here like terms, unlike terms. If we come to know about like terms, then other than it is unlike. See, if we have examples, first one is 2x, 3x, 5y, minus 4z, okay, 3y, 1 by 2z. See, in these examples, if we are going to separate the like terms, those variables are same. Those terms are like term. See here, in this 2x is 3x, and then here it is only two terms. Okay, here it is 2x and 3x are like terms. Okay, and so here next one, here it is the y variable 5y, this 3y are like terms. Okay, 5y, 3y are like terms. Then third one, minus 4z is there, and here it is 1 by 2z. 2z means it is half of z. Okay, See, minus 4z and 1 by 2z are like terms. Okay. Okay. Like terms means it is very simple. If the variables are same and power is same, then those terms are like terms. Say here another one example. Unlike means different variables. Different variables also different powers or exponents. Okay. Let's see in the example, second example, you will get here clarity. 3x square 2x minus 4x square 3y 1 by 2y square 3y square minus 3 that is there. Okay. See, if we are going to separate the like terms, first see about the variables which are same and the power. Okay, both you have to consider. See here 2x is there, yes, only 2x. It is only one term. There is no other one like term. Okay. See other one, the power of x is 2 here. 3x square is 1 is there, and there it is minus 4x square. The variable is x and the power is also both have 2. Okay. Yes. Only these two terms are like terms 3x square and minus 4x square. See in next one, here it is only 3y. Variable y is only one term. There is no other than 3y. Okay. Here it is only 3y is a single. See in next, it is 1 by 2y square. The power of y square, and here also the power of y is 2. Okay. These two are like terms. 1 by 2 y square. It means half of the y square. And 3 times y square. These two are like terms. And minus 3z is also 1 is there. Minus 3z. Okay. The only thing is like terms means what you should have. Same variable. Okay. Same variable and same power or same exponent. Then these are like terms. Other than this, all are unlike terms. Okay. Yes. Then we see the equations. We are going to study now equations. What is meant by equation? Then what is meant by linear equation? Then second is what is meant by quadratic equation. You have one chapter on quadratic equations, so that we have to clear the concept here only. Okay, quadratic equation. You should learn correctly here, then only it is understand second chapter, that is quadratic equation. See what is meant by equation first. Okay, first listen carefully, then you have to write in your notebook if you want to make a notes. So already I told, if two expressions are if two expressions are separated by equal sign. If two expressions are separated by equal sign, then it is an equation. See here, example 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here it is 2x plus 3 is one expression and 0 is also one expression. Okay. See, under condition, if we have only 2 plus 3 is equal to 0, then it is not an equation. Only it is a numeral equation. Okay. See why it is? Because there is no variable in this expression also, and here it is also in this expression. This is only a numeral expression, but not a. This is only a numeral equation. Okay. Only numbers equation, but not algebraic equation. 2x plus 3, here it is one variable. In this expression, we have here one variable, then it is an algebraic equation. Okay. Here the 0 is there. If we have any constant, 0 is also one constant, 2 is also one constant, 5 is also one constant, 10 is also one constant, minus 4 is also one constant. Okay. All the constants have indirectly the variable x is to 0. Okay. I think here the power of x is 0, then its value is always 1. Say for example 2 raised to 0 is also 1, 5 raised to 0 is also 1, 10 raised to 0 is also 1. So if the power of 0 is 1, the variable's power of 0 is 0, then its value is always 1. So that 0 into 1 is again 0, 2 into 1 is again 0, 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 1 is 5, 10 into 1 is 10, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Okay. So that here we have 0. It means there is a variable x raised to 0. Because 0 into 1 is again 0 it is. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. There is an equal sign in between this expression 2x plus 3 and the expression 0. Okay. So what I have told definition, if two expressions are separated by equal sign, then we call it as an algebraic equation. Okay. Then come to know about linear equation. What is meant by linear equation? It is also very important. The 1 mark MCQ questions is raised on this topic. Okay. Linear equation. See what is meant by linear equation? Already we know that 3x plus 4 is a binomial because it has two terms. See, observe here the power of x is 1. Yes, what is here? If there is no power, it means that the power of x is 1. Or if we have 2y plus 5, and here the power of y is also 1. Okay. If we have 3z minus 8, then here is power of z is 1. See, in these all these examples, we have the power of the variable is 1 only. Okay. See, the power of the expression, the power of expression or variable, not expression, the power of variable. Okay, is correct. Okay, the power of variable is 1. If the power of variable is 1, then we call it as a linear equation. Yes. To say linear equation, it should have the power of variable is only 1, and it is only one variable linear equation because we have in it here only the variable only x is there. Here it is only variable y is there. Here it is variable that is there. So that if variable is one variable, okay, and power is 1, then it has one variable linear equation. One variable linear equation. Okay. If we have two variable and the power is 1, then it is two variable linear equation. Two variable linear equation. Yes, see here. What is meant by one variable linear equation means if we have 2x plus 4, here it is only variable x is only there and the 4 is also 1, then it is one variable linear equation. Okay. If we have here 2x plus 3y plus 4, here observe that we have here two variables, x is one variable and another variable is y. Okay, and the power of x is also 1, here the power of y is also 1, then we call it as a two variable linear equation. What? Two variable linear equation. Okay, here it is only one variable. Okay, see another examples. For one variable linear equation, 3x minus 1 by 2. Okay, and for two variable linear equation, another one example, x plus y plus 3. Okay, so here x variable is there and another one second variable is y, and the power of x is also 1, the power of y is also 1, here the power of x is 1. So if we have only one variable and the highest power is 1, then we call it as a one variable linear equation. If we have two variables and the power is 1 only, then we call it as a two variable linear equation. See, only simply you should know that linear means, okay, the power of variable is only 1. Okay, the overall power of variable is only 1. See, 3x plus 2, 2x square minus 4, 3x square plus y, 4, 1, 5. See, in which one is linear equation? Which one is simply the question is which one is linear equation? See, observe here. Here it is power 2. So you have to cancel this one. Eliminate. Here also there is power of x is 2. You have to cancel it. And there is only constant is there, and this constant's power is the variable's power is always x raised to 0. Already I told you. So this is also not a linear equation. Then the remaining one, that is 3x plus 2, is only the linear equation because the power of x is here only 1. Okay. I hope you come to know that what is variable, what is constant. Okay. And what about monomial, binomial, trinomial, and what is meant by polynomial. Okay. And which are not a polynomials, then which one is linear polynomial or linear equation. What is meant by equation and linear equation. Okay. So in linear equation, one variable linear equation is there and two variable linear equation is there. Okay. See, I told you 2x plus 4. This is only linear expression. If we make it equal to 0, then it is linear equation. Here it is 2x plus 3y plus 4. This is two variable linear expression. If we have make it here anything constant equal to 0 or 1 or 2 anything, then it is equation. Okay. Same other expressions only, but not equations. When we make it equal to anything using another expression, then these are all equations. Okay. We come to know that what is meant by variable. So here, variable. What about constant? What about monomial? What about binomial? What is meant by binomial? And then polynomial. Then like terms and unlike. Okay, like and unlike terms. Okay. After that, linear expression and equation. And then in this linear, one variable and two variable. Yes, all those things you have learned in this class. Yes, in tomorrow class, we will learn about actual syllabus of the polynomial. Okay, first about the linear equation, and then second one quadratic equation, and then about cubic equation. Okay, thereafter zero of the polynomial. Okay, linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, and the zero of the polynomial. Okay, and how we denote the polynomial. Yes, the notion of a polynomial. Yes, all these things in next class, one class, we will learn about this. Okay, if you have any doubt, please you have to use chat box and make your doubt known. Okay. Yes, I hope in this class, if you don't know any concept or you have any misconcept, I hope in today's class all those doubts and concepts will be clear. Okay. Yes, I'm going to repeat again once. Variable means it is always going to change and we know with small letters. Okay. Constant, it is a fixed value. There is no change. Monomial, only one term. Binomial, two terms. Okay. Binomial, three terms. Polynomials, more than three terms. In general, all these monomial, binomial, and trinomial also polynomials. Okay, all these are polynomials. Then like terms and unlike. Like means same variable and power. Same variable with same power. Then linear expression and equation. Linear means the power of the variable is always 1. Okay. And equation means two expressions are separated by equal sign. Okay, one variable and two variable linear equations I have told. Okay, if the power of the expression is 1 and there is only one variable, then it is one variable linear equation. The power of the variables are 1 and two variables are there, then it is two variable expression and equations. Okay, so in tomorrow class we will learn about clearly the concept of linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation, and zero of the polynomials. Okay, I hope in today's class you learned the concept directly about main basic algebraic concepts. Okay, just thank you one and all. I am closing class here only. Share it to your friends and tell them to join the course. Okay, yes, thank you one and all.